But his delight is in the law of the Lord, and on his law he meditates day and night. Psalm chapter 1 verses 2. Hello beautiful family, a very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Let's stay refreshed by sipping on this spicy Hausa beer, aka Emoduro. This is very popular on the streets of Ghana when it comes to drinks that you will find. It is super healthy and very easy to make. However, this drink is not for everyone. If you are a pregnant woman or a lactating mom, you want to stay away from this drink. All right. But if you're not, and I guess you want to learn how to make this, so please stay tuned and let's get started. Before, here are the list of ingredients, which I'm also going to list below in the description box. So please kindly check them out. Here I have some dried peppers. This is very spicy. It is known as mesua, and 2 cardamom seeds. And I have, not too spicy dried peppers and some cloves as well. You may also decide to add some dried peppercorns and some negro pepper or grains of psyllium, aka huntia. I am going to soak this with hot boiling water for about an hour, just so that it releases all the juices more, and it's also softening up so that I will get enough juices from these ingredients. Okay, so after an hour I'm going to add everything in my blender. Mind you, these are dried ingredients. Sometimes these dried ingredients comes with a bit of sand, so you just want to be very careful. This is how you're going to get. Okay, so I'm going to strain it very well and add my ginger as well. Add about 1 cup of cold water to this and blend it until it is nice and smooth. All these ingredients you see here has great components of immune boosting elements that you need in your body. Okay, and especially if you have cold and some flu, this drink is best for you. It is so refreshing, and you feel like anytime you sip little bit of this, you feel like your body needed something like that, and it's just so great. So after blending everything, I am going to strain it with my strainer or some cheesecloth, just so that you do not have any particles in your drink. It is very important to strain it very well. I'll add extra water to get enough juices from these amazing ingredients. These are so strong, so you might get a cough or two while doing this, or even a sneeze. So please do not be alarmed when it happens. It is very normal. It is so it's a drink, but still very medicinal as well. So right now I am going to get enough juices from this lemon, and by doing that I want to go ahead and massage it a little bit, as you saw me do. And after that I am going to juice out all the juices using my manual juice press. And you can decide to also peel off the skin and blend it together with the other ingredients. Anytime that I make it that way, it feels a little bit strong, so I prefer just using the juice without the pulp. Okay, so I'm going to take off all the juices. I got lots and lots of juices from this, as you can see. And again, this is a healthy drink. We all know that lemon contain lots and lots of antioxidants, so they're very good for our body. They're going to help boost our immune system, right? So right now I'm going to prep for my sweetener. I went for some brown sugar. You can choose to use the white one, or some honey, or any sweetener of choice. Really, you can do that. So I went ahead to add hot water, just so that the sugar dissolves very well. I do not want to see them settle at the bottom, so this is the perfect way to make it. And the brown sugar also give it a nice brown color, which I absolutely love. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to add my lemon juice, and it's important to use your strainer. Again, you do not want any particles at all in your juice. It should be nice and very smooth. Okay, so once I'm done with that, I'll then go ahead and add my homemade sweetener. Look at that beauty. As you can see, there was a little bit of the sugar settled at the bottom, so I went ahead to add a lot more hot water. I really do not like it when I see sugar settle down on juices. I am not for it at all. So here I'm going to give it a good mix, and now add more water just to dilute it a little bit more just because it is too strong. So you just want to taste and also add water to your preference. All right. I made 3 liters of juices from this few ingredients. So yes, the Hausa beer owners, they are cashing out. Honestly, they are. So all that you have to do is again taste, adjust to your taste, and there you have it. Put them in your bottle and you're good to go. This summer you're going to sip on something very, very refreshing and you're going to love it. Especially if you have cold, please make this. It is so, so good for you. It is very refreshing and very healthy anytime that you sip it. So please make sure you try this at home. It is very, very good for you. It is even better once served with some ice, a little bit or touch of rosemary, and you will love this drink a lot more. This is how the restaurant and the bar owners do, just to entice you. Yeah, a touch of fresh rosemary in there, boy oh boy, it is amazing. If you have some roasted peanuts, yes, it is allowed, throw some in and you will love this juice. Yes, this is a quick one, very healthy and so refreshing. Thanks so much for watching, family. I really hope that you learn a thing or two and you're going to give this a try. I promise you're going to love this. Please make sure you give me a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if this is your first time here, hello. My name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again. And as always, know that you're so beautiful, just the way you are. I will see you in my next one. Have a blessed day. Bye.